Hi there, students. To divulge, a verb, to divulge. To reveal secret information, to reveal information, to tell publicly something that is private or secret. The newspaper divulged more details about the scandal. I promise I will never divulge your secret. This book divulges the inner workings of the ministry. So to divulge, to make known sensitive, private or secret information. This map divulges the hiding place of the treasure. The fortune teller divulged what his future was going to be. Okay? He read his future and then divulged it, told it. The reporter refused to divulge his source of information. The spy divulged the details of the negotiation. So it's to tell everybody, to make known, to make publish, to reveal, to disclose, to let the cat out of the bag, if you like. The police refused to divulge further details about the crime. The newspaper divulged all the company's financial information. Your vote is private, and who you voted for will not be divulged. You never know. So to expose, to let on, to give away, to betray a secret, to spill the beans. He was charged with divulging state secrets. The recipe for Coca-Cola is secret and must not be divulged, given, told to anybody. I can now divulge that the couple are getting married next week. And the spokesman divulged the news that everybody had been hoping for. So when a spokesman or a spokesperson makes a proclamation when they talk, it's normally because they're divulging officially information. So to divulge, a regular verb, he divulged the information. The information has been divulged. I'd probably give it something like a 6.5 in formality. You could use it in a conversation, but not in an informal one, I think. I think very informally you might say tell, reveal, let the cat out of the bag, something like that. And then the origin, well, this comes from Latin, divulgare, so the dis, among, and then vulgare, to spread through the multitude, to spread through the crowd, to spread through the public. So to divulge, to reveal information that nobody knew, particularly something that's sensitive, private or secret. Okay, so I would really appreciate if you would divulge to your friends where you learnt these words. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To divulge.